Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be replacing the tail light of the FZ6, which is right behind me. We're gonna be installing this new LED light, which is smoked and it's also integrated with the indicators. It should be a pretty simple job, which should take around 30 minutes. We only need to remove the seat and also the side panel on the other side. The light is also held by two screws, which are over here, and then we just need to splice these wires in the current wiring harness. So let's get right on it. So as I mentioned already, we need to remove the seat and the side panel over here. Now to remove the tail light, we need to undo these Phillips screws, which we have one on each side. And then we also need to unplug the harness, which is right here. It's a 3-pin. So as it turns out, you can't really pull the tail light from here. So we need to remove this whole panel, which is just 2 bolts over here and one on each side. These are 13mm. So yeah, let's just remove that, remove this whole panel, and then we can push the tail light from the inside. So now that we removed all the back piece, we just need to remove these 2 screws. You can put in the new one. Now for this next step, I hooked up a 12-volt source, which I'm gonna connect to the tail light. The black one should be the negative, and the red and the green one should be the tail light normal light, and then there should be the brake light. So I'm gonna confirm which one is which. So the red light is the normal light and the green light is the brake light. Now for the indicators, this is the right one, and this is the left one. Now with regards to wiring, I'm just gonna grab the old wiring harness, which there was, and I'm just gonna splice it to the new wiring so I can use the same wiring harness that I have on the bike. So now all the wires have been spliced, and just for clarification, on the stock Yamaha wiring loom, the colors are like this. The yellow one is the brake light, the green one is the rear light, and the black one is the negative, and you would wear them like this. So yellow to green, green to red, and black to black. For the indicators, I've done bullet connectors because that's how they're gonna connect to the bike. So let's go ahead and grab the whole tailpiece and let's assemble it back on the bike. So now I'm gonna test the light with the stock wiring harness on the bike. For the indicators, you will need this adapter. So this part will connect to the Yamaha stock connector, and this one will connect to the bullet connectors that we just attached to the tail light. And now I'm gonna go ahead and test the tail light. So I just put the tail piece back on the bike. I didn't attach it yet. I just connected the wires. I'm gonna test that all the lights work. So the brake light works. Right indicator works. left indicator works also. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and attach everything back together, including the seat. So the bike has been fully assembled again now, and as you can see the backlight is working. Now to end the video, I'm just gonna do a comparison between the new one and the old one and see how bright they look and how the indicators look. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next video.